That is the sound of perfectly tempered chocolate. Welcome, chefs. Today we are mastering honeycomb chocolate crack cups. If you're ready to level up your pastry game, hit that subscribe button right now. Precision is key. We start with tempering. Place 300 grams of 70% dark chocolate in a bain-marie. We must reach exactly 45 degrees Celsius to break down the fat crystals completely. Like this video if you love the science of baking. Patience is a virtue here. Cool the chocolate to 27 degrees Celsius. We are looking for the formation of stable beta crystals. Once it hits 27, gently reheat it to a working temperature of 31 degrees. This ensures that glossy finish and that signature snap. Apply a thin, even coat to your molds. If it's too thick, it won't crack. Too thin, and it will shatter. Chill these at 10 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. While those set, share this video with someone who needs a chocolate fix. Now for the honeycomb. Combine 200 grams sugar, 100 honey, and 50 ml water. We are aiming for the hard crack stage, exactly 150 degrees Celsius. Do not stir or you will cause crystallization. Comment sweet if you've made honeycomb before. At 150 degrees, remove from heat and whisk in 10 grams of sifted baking soda. This is a rapid chemical reaction. The CO2 creates our airy structure. Pour it immediately onto a silicone mat. Do not touch it. It is extremely hot. Once cooled for 30 minutes, shatter the honeycomb. Look at those beautiful air pockets. This texture is the heart of our crack cup. If you're enjoying these technical details, make sure you are subscribed for more. Fill your shells to 80% capacity with shards, then seal with your remaining tempered chocolate. Use an offset spatula to scrape the tops perfectly flush. This creates the structural integrity needed for that viral sound. The moment of truth. A clean release from the mold proves our temper was perfect. Listen. Absolute perfection. Share your results in the comments and let me know what flavor we should tackle next. You've just mastered the honeycomb crack cup. Technical precision leads to professional results. Don't forget to like, share this with a fellow foodie, and subscribe for our next masterclass. See you in the kitchen.